Alright, let's talk about this young Earth thing for a minute. You've probably heard the claim that the Earth is only about 6 to 10,000 years old. That's the young Earth position held by some creationists. But here's the thing, that idea doesn't hold up even under the most basic scientific scrutiny. Let's start with radiometric dating, one of the most reliable tools in geology. Scientists can measure radioactive isotopes decay over time, like uranium turning into lead, or potassium turning into argon. These decay rates are consistent and measurable. When we test rocks from Earth or even meteorites, we consistently find ages of about 4.5 billion years. To believe in a young Earth, you'd have to assume that every one of those measurements, across every lab, every method, every sample, is somehow wrong in the exact same way. That's just not how science works. Then there's astronomy. Light from distant galaxies takes millions or even billions of years to reach us. We're literally seeing ancient light that's been traveling across space since long before a supposed 6,000-year-old Earth could have existed. If the universe were that young, we wouldn't be able to see most of what's out there. And even here on Earth, things like ice cores from Antarctica contain hundreds of thousands of yearly layers. Think of them like tree rings, each one marking a winter and summer cycle. You can physically count them back well past 6,000 years. The evidence isn't ambiguous, it's consistent across physics, geology, astronomy, and biology, all independently confirming the same story, that Earth is ancient. Now, don't get me wrong, believing in a young Earth doesn't necessarily make you unintelligent. People can believe anything for bad reasons, but it does mean rejecting an overwhelming amount of data from every corner of science. As Carl Sagan once said, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The young Earth claim just doesn't have it.